Anyway, it's Ashlynn. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing her makeup. She's been on my channel before, but not in a really long time. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing her makeup. So I'm going to be doing her makeup. I'm really not as good at other people's makeup as I am mine. So this may not turn out the best, but we're just going to do it anyways. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to put up your hair. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is face primer. So I'm using the Wet n Wild one. It's not focusing, but it's fine.
That's a lot. You just went over my eyebrows. Ooh, why is it so cold? Why is it burning? Why is it so minty fresh?
Next, I'm going in with this. We are blurry now. Next, I'm using the Essence Color I Heart Color Intensifying Eye Primer. So I quickly set our eyes, and now I'm using the ColourPop Milo Pony palette, and it's really pretty, so that's why I decided to use it. Okay, so first I'm going in with the shade called Applejack, using that as a transition shade. Next, I'm taking this shade, and it's called Flutterby, and I'm putting that in her crease. The next color I'm using is this purpley type of shade. It's called Sky Dancer. I promise this isn't the same look I did in a different video. I'm putting that on her outer corner and a little into the crease. Then next, I'm taking this purple shade, and it's called Minty, and I'm gonna spray my brush with some Mario Badescu spray. Putting that on like the middle of her eyelid. Conditioner just came on, but yeah. Next I'm taking this bluish shade, and it's called Snuzzle. I'm using the same brush, but I'm putting it in the more inner part of her eye. Then next I'm going in with this kind of shade and this type of shade. They're like totally different, but it's Butterscotch and Firefly. I'm putting that in her like inner corner and of this shade, and I'm going to put it on her lower lash line. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, and it's in the shade Nude Ivory. So before I do the foundation on her forehead, I'm actually going to use the Sephora Green Color Corrector and this like concealer brush, and I'm just going to put it anywhere where there's redness. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer under her eyes. Next, I'm going to use some Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and set her under eyes and her whole face. For bronzer, I'm using the Halo Light. I'm actually going to go in with a more cool tone bronzer to kind of contour her face now. I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and it's the first shade. I'm going to use a smaller brush and just kind of chisel it out. The Tarte Blush Book for her blush. I've decided I'm using Dainty, yeah, right there. And I'm not gonna use a lot though, because these are really pigmented. She's really excited about this part. But I'm gonna start off. I'm using 2 highlighters. I'm using the Makeup Revolution Triple Baked Highlighter in Goddess of Faith. And you guys know how I feel about this one. This one is. I'm just gonna swatch it.
Don't mind those.
Yeah, but it's really, really good. And I'm using the e.l.f. highlighting brush. Use the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow Kit. I'm using these 2 shades. I'm like way far away, but yeah.
That's okay.
She's gonna be putting on the Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara. It's not that intense, but. And lastly, she's just gonna be putting on this like Sephora lipstick. I'm not sure what the shade is. So this is a completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this look, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down below if you want to see more of me doing my friend's makeup. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Why did I do this?
Bye!
On every side.